Okay, Andy, drop hand, music, and then drop the flag for time. 3 minutes.
Archer Cup flight sequence selected. We've got some old school judges in the house tonight, Mitch. Let's get you calibrated back to 2010. Start us off with some Matt Hollywood Bodo style big air. Target head speed acquired. Ready for takeoff. We're just getting started. All right. You know what's coming. Cool Hand Stacy wants to see some deck work. Drop it down low.
Time. You better call a yellow card if you. Yeah, call a yellow card because time is. You're not going to get the right time. You're going to lose 20% just.